So you just found out that your loved one has cancer. The first thing to remember is don't panic. Cancer is not a death sentence. Many patients these days live with cancer for a long time, more like a chronic illness that's controlled and lived with, like heart disease or even diabetes. There are over 11 million people living as cancer survivors. So again, cancer is not a death sentence. People can be diagnosed with cancer, treated, and go on to live a full, normal, healthy life. We've actually seen that patients who maintain a positive outlook during their treatment tolerate the side effects of their chemotherapy better. So now that your loved one has been diagnosed with cancer, one thing you can do to help is to maintain a positive attitude. Dealing with cancer is like an emotional roller coaster. There are going to be good days and bad, and sometimes the mental aspects are even harder to deal with than the physical. One thing you can do to help your loved one during their cancer treatment is to help them to maintain a normal routine and normal daily activities. Take them to the mall, go out shopping, take them to a restaurant to eat. Just try to keep things as normal for them as possible. Sometimes making a big deal out of the cancer makes things harder to deal with. One thing you can do to help is to educate yourself. Learn about the things to say and maybe not to say to a cancer patient, and also learn about their disease process. By understanding their disease, you will better help them to be able to deal with the treatment and the side effects that may come along with that. There are some great websites that you can go to for information. One is our gacancer.com website, and also the American Cancer Society and the National Cancer Institute's websites. Another thing that you can do when your loved one is diagnosed with cancer is to take this as an opportunity to change some of their lifestyle habits. Stop smoking, get more exercise, and eating a healthy diet will help them to tolerate their treatment better. And these changes can benefit you both for a lifetime. Every patient is different in how they deal with cancer, and some may be upset by things that others are not bothered by. The most important thing is just listen. Listen to how they're coping and see what you can do to help them deal with this better. Realize you won't have the answer to all the questions, but that's okay. You can also support your loved one in many other ways. You can go to a doctor's appointment with them, which may be very helpful to help them remember things that the doctor has told them that they may not absorb at the time. You can also take them to a support group, or you could even do some basic things that they may need help with, such as cleaning their house, running errands, or helping them pick up medication. Sometimes all they need is for you to just be there for them.